You ready to go? Hey guys, I just want to do a quick review of my new dash cam. I actually bought this a few months back when I started doing a little Lyft, and I already had a dash cam that recorded the front. Now the good thing with this one is that it records the front. Now why is it important to record the front? Because let's say if your passenger throws up, then you want to submit some evidence, and by having a front dash cam, you'll be able to record actually what happened. This one I really like also. It sort of hides underneath your rear view mirror, and the camera is underneath, so passenger can't really see what's going on. So it's sort of out of the way, which I really like. Another feature I really like, alright, is that you can swivel this, and you'll see you could swivel to different angles, so which is really nice. So you could have it at the perfect angle while not losing the view of the front. The view is a wide angle, I think 170 degrees, so it captures the whole view. Sort of like a GoPro. The front is not the most high res. It does also record audio, which is nice. Of course, you want the audio in case somebody throws up, or somebody, let's say you're driving Lyft or Uber, somebody attacks you, yada, yada, yada. But one thing I found out while using this that's really good, even if you don't drive for Lyft or Uber, I feel like this is an essential device you should have in your car, because I've had many conversations with my daughter, which I'll show you here in a bit, that it captured. I've captured some moments in my car that was very important to my life that it automatically captured. Anytime it's driving, it's capturing. Now let me go ahead and show you some of the menus here. If you go ahead and hold down this menu button, you'll be able to change the resolution. So obviously it's at 1080p. And cyclic record, so if your SD card runs out of space, it's going to basically keep the last 10 minutes. Motion detection, so I got that on. So if your car's off and somebody walks in front of your car, then it will record. And I find it really good because when I park my car in front of my garage, because I don't have enough room to park my car in the garage, this acts as my security camera for front of my car. So anytime somebody walks in front of my car, it's going to capture that moment. Also, you can go ahead and turn the audio on or off. Date stamp. It's also got gravity sensing, so if somebody hits you when you're not in the car, then it's automatically record. That's really nice. So I've got that on. Also, it's got parking monitor, pretty much the same thing, and rear camera mirroring, and additional settings you could get. Obviously, you can change the time. Auto power off. All right. Yeah, I got it at 3 minutes. But pretty simple to use. That's pretty much it. And also, you can go ahead and tap the button here if you don't want the monitor on all the time. It's still working, but if you tap it, it'll just turn the screen off. You go ahead and hit this button to change the view. It'll just show the front, although it's still recording the front camera. This is going to just show you the front camera. And you can see my dog over here. My dog Bowie. She's so cute. I find it a very good family device for really recording your happy moments in your car, because it's automatically recording every time you're driving. When you're not driving, it doesn't actually record anything. So you can change the view. Obviously, this is the view I have it most of the time. So I really like it, especially if you drive Uber or Lyft. I do highly recommend to invest in one, just in case somebody throws up. You'll have concrete proof to send them. If something happens, if somebody reports you for no reason, then you'll have concrete proof, right, with the date stamp. And also, if somebody hits you, if you get an accident, obviously it's going to be real good. This one I paid, I think, $49.99. So definitely recommend it. Even if you don't do Uber or Lyft, I think this is a great way to monitor your car front and back. For connection, it just uses USB. Now, I've just got a router. Oh, there she is. My daughter's here. And you can also initiate the recording when you want to. So I've got it. I intentionally started recording here, and this way I can record the whole conversation here, which is really nice. And I'll show you guys all the recordings I've made, some fun ones that I've made, and it's really fun to have a dash cam. Especially when you go through the stop signs and somebody hits you in the stop sign or stoplights. I mean, dash cam can really save you a headache and the time of going through insurance and claiming. And yeah, I think everybody should have a dash cam. Also, it's going to record if your car gets stolen. Obviously, they can steal your dash cam, but a lot of times you can catch crime with your car. Anywhere your car is parked, it's going to catch crime. But definitely, this is one of the best, I think, dash cams. I'll have a link in the description if you guys are interested. That'll also help me out. You want to say anything, Kevin?
Yes.
Yeah. How's school? How's school?
School is fun.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god, sorry. Non-smelly fart. Not as bad as bubble fart. Oh, yeah. It's okay. Oh, yeah.
Stop, you meanie.
Oh my god, that smells so bad. Yeah, don't breathe. Don't breathe for 5 seconds. Oh my god. Because I wanted to go poop, but I didn't want to go poop at that place.
Click here to subscribe. 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 No, you meanie, my map's gone.
Why you think everything? Why you don't talk earlier? Why you don't talk? You talk more. You talk normal. You can talk English with my lady. Alright, tired? Tired. Oh my god. Oh, you got sleep. You cheater. Next time you drive.